Every month, YouTube pays creators for shorts, and a lot of those shorts aren't filmed basically from scratch. They're clips. Someone took a long video, found the best 40 seconds, and turned it into a short. That's clipping. And you can start doing it today without basically with no camera and no editing skills. One quick note before we start, the tool I use to make clips is free to start. No code required. The link is in the description and you can make your first clip without paying anything. I'll come back to it in a minute. Let's start with the first thing you need to know. Something to clip. Clipping needs two things: a long video and a way to turn it into a short. You've got two options. You can clip your own videos, your own long videos if you have them, or you can clip someone else's. And yes, clipping other people's content can be completely fine if you have permission or you're participating in a creator's clipping program like content rewards, whatever, right? A lot of creators actively want clippers. Podcasters and streamers can have hours of footages that they don't have time to turn into shorts themselves. Some even run clipping programs where they pay people based on the views their clips generate. So before you post someone else's content, check their channel, right, or website or links page for a clipping program or specific permissions. Pick one creator to start with, learn their content, understand what their audience likes, and you will get much faster at spotting the good moments. Now, here's the real skill of clipping. The editing barely matters. What matters is finding the right 30 to 60 seconds. A good clip grabs attention almost immediately. Maybe it's a bold claim, maybe it's a funny line, maybe it's a surprising story that makes you think, wait, what? If a moment made you stop scrolling, there is a good chance it will make someone else stop too. That's what you're looking for. Scrub through the long video and mark these moments. Don't overthink it. One strong 30-second moment is better than an entire minute where nothing happens. Once you've found the moment, it's time to turn it into short. You could do everything manually using CapCut, right? And it works, really. It can be basically it can be useful, but it can be also slow. You have to find the moment, crop the video vertically, adjust the framing, add captions, and make sure everything looks good. One clip can easily take much longer than you'd expect. That's why I use an AI tool to speed up the process. It's called Opus Clip, right? So go to opus.pro, right? Using the link in the description and hit get started for free, right? Or you can hit sign up or sign in, okay? You can sign in with Google or an email, and you don't need a credit card to begin. Once inside, right? Once you're inside, you can upload the long video. You're gonna upload your long video or paste a video link, right? So I'm gonna go ahead to my library and choose a video. So let me go ahead to recent, find a video, an example video that I can use. So let's say this one. Yeah, let's say this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and drag this video into this box, right? So I'm gonna go ahead right here and drop the video right here. Hold on for a sec. Right. Now once I put the video there, right, I'm gonna wait for it to upload, right? And you can basically choose the clipping settings, right? The caption style, the limit, the time length for each short, etc. So it's gonna take me to the video. Before I hit get clips in one click or generate, you're gonna see here the AI clipping settings, clip model, keep it on auto, genre, just keep it on auto, and the length should be from 0 to 3 minutes, right? If you want to add a specific moments, like find all the viral clips, etc., or controversial takes, and here you can basically choose the caption style, right? Once you're done, just hit get clips in one click, and now just give it a few minutes. Opus Clip will analyze the video and give you a selection of clips that are already cut, formatted vertically, and captioned. So you don't need to worry about how you're gonna post this, what's the right hashtags, whatever. So I'm gonna wait for a few moments and I'm gonna get back to you. Once it's done, you're gonna go ahead and click the video. Each clip also gets a score estimating how likely it is to perform well. So you can start by checking the highest scoring ones, right? You're gonna watch through them, choose your favorites, and download them. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead right here and download HD. All right. Now, quick truth about the free plan, because this is important. You get 60 minutes of video processing each month, which can be enough for one long podcast or several shorter videos. Free clips include a small watermark, and free clips are deleted after 3 days. So make sure you download the clips you want to keep on the same day you generate them. Remember that one. Now, you've got your shorts, it's time to post it. Upload the clip to YouTube as a short, keep it vertical, choose a short attention-grabbing title, and make sure the video fits YouTube's current short requirements. Then do it again and again, because clipping rewards volume and consistency. Most clips won't do much. A few might perform really well, and you usually can't know which ones will win before you post them. That's why you want to create a system that lets you produce clips quickly. If one long video gives you 8 or 10 potential shorts, you suddenly have content for several days. So don't spend your entire day trying to make one clip perfect. Publish consistently and let the audience tell you what works. Now, let's talk about how clipping can actually make money. There are two main paths. The first is your own YouTube channel. If your channel eventually meets YouTube's requirements for the partner program in Shorts monetization, you can earn a share of Shorts advertising revenue based on eligible views. But that takes time, so don't build your plan around making money from YouTube in your first week. The second path is clipping for creators who already have clipping programs. This can potentially be faster. Some creators pay clippers based on the views their approved clips generate. You create the clip, follow the creator's rules, post it, and earn according to the terms of that program. The important part is to make sure the creator has actually authorized the clipping arrangement. Don't assume that because a video is public, you can automatically have permission to repost it. So that's the whole loop. Find the long video, choose a creator you're allowed to clip, find the moment that makes people stop scrolling, use Opus Clip to turn it into a vertical short, post it consistently, then repeat. Do that and you can start building YouTube clipping workflow today. If you want to try Opus Clip, the link is in that description. It's free to start, there is no card required, and you can make your first clip without paying anything. That link includes my referral tag. It doesn't cost you anything extra, it just helps support the channel. So click on it. You don't need to have everything figured out before you start. You just need one video to clip. So go grab one, find the best moment, and make your first short. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.